Hey, it's Mrs. Brooks from the Little Voices Language Lab. I'm going to show you how you can sort your data using the ESL checklist to help you throughout your school year. So you're going to want to click the little rectangle towards the top of your roster by the column A and the row 1, right? You just click right in that corner. You go to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Sorting Options. That is where you will go for everything I'm going to show you. So again, Data, Sort Range, Advanced Options. Your data has a header, so you click the box there. If you want your data to be in alphabetical order, you could do last name and then the first name, sort. That will put it in ABC order by their last name. I also click the first name because you might have kids with the same last name. Again, data, sort range, advanced options, header. Maybe you want to see by grade level. So you could do grade level, then the last name, first name, sort. That will put it in order by grades if you service students from different grade levels. You could also do the score. So you could do score. I always do last name, first name for mostly everything I do, but that'll show you the score for your levels. Maybe you want to see all of the grade levels together and then sort by the score. So that has your first graders, your second graders here, and then it puts them in order from smallest score to biggest score. Again, here there was a couple third graders. You can see their scores. So you want the first thing you put in your data options to be what you want sorted first. Maybe you want to see who you're missing LAPs from or any sort of paperwork data that you need signed and returned or completed. So let's do the signed LAP. And when you do that, it puts all of them at the top that you don't have yet. Okay, so then it moved the other ones to the bottom. When you have all the data filled in, you won't have these empty boxes. But I really like that because it shows me right away, okay, those students I'm missing their paperwork. When you do the classroom teacher, and then you do last name, first name, this is how you can easily copy over the data for the teachers. So here we have Dumbledore has 2 students. So I can copy those students over into their own page for the teachers. Easy access, you can print for them, give them their students' information. Maybe you want to see who needs language. So all the students that need language support. Data, sort range, advanced options, use a header. So I want to see who's a language student, but I also want to see what grade they're in because I might need to pull them at the same time. And maybe I want to see their classroom teacher too. You can sort this multiple ways. So here we have the students that need language. Okay. Oh, and none of them are in the same grade or have the same teacher. But when you sort it, when you have all your information in there, that will be very, very helpful. So really, any of these headers at the top, you are able to sort by. Another little quick tip, I guess, if you know you have all of them completed, let's say you want to select all of these at the same time and you don't want to click them all individually, you can select them all, hit your space bar, and it will check them all off. Hit the space bar again, and it unchecks them. So that also can save you some time. I hope this helps you be able to see your data in a more efficient way.